That's all you guys, all my subscribers. Thank y'all, man. Sometimes you get discouraged. You know, you see your views not going up, subscriber count not moving. Never gave up, and I'm not giving up. We're getting ready to head out. My wife's over there. She's getting ready. What's good? Welcome back to Two Wheel Love Garage. We just out here chilling, waiting on my wife to come out get off of work. I came to pick her up. Well, not pick her up, but meet her. Of course, she got her own ride sitting over there. She got her own ride right there. She's got her own ride. Wanted to pull up on her so we can ride on the way home. It's a nice day out here to ride too, man. It's beautiful. The sun is out. The wind. Oh man, the sun is blinding. It's like hitting my eye. I can't record with my camera because I forgot my battery. My SD card is in there, but I forgot my battery, so I can't record with my action camera. So that's why I'm using my phone. Of course, when I start riding, when we get ready to leave, I gotta stop the film, stop the video. Just want to say thank you guys, all my subscribers. Thank y'all, man, for helping me get to 500 subscribers. I was trying to get to 500 subscribers for a while. I have like 250 something odd videos. That's long and short. I think I have more short. I know I have more short videos than I do long. But I appreciate all y'all, man. The love that y'all, if it wasn't for y'all, man, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be able to do this, I wouldn't have started doing this, But y'all gave me, man, y'all gave me a lot of hope. Y'all gave me a lot of faith. I never stop. Sometimes you get discouraged. And you see your views not going up. You see your subscriber count not moving, and so you get discouraged a lot of times, But I never gave up, and I'm not giving up. I continue to post. I'm down to one long video right now. My shorts are still the same, pretty much. I'm down to one long video now because I feel like I've overpopulated or overcrowded the algorithm, and so none of my videos are being pushed because there's so many videos. I mean, there are people that have way more videos than what I have, but I mean, they have a ton of subscribers, so that just goes without saying. I don't know, how to not do this, because as long as I have these motorcycles, as long as I have my wife, well, she's not right there right now, but as long as I have her and she's willing to ride, ride with me, so as long as I have her in these bikes, then who knows, man, I may end up stopping. I may end up just stopping YouTube down the road. I may end up stop riding, I don't know, It just, sometimes life happens, and then, and then you're looking for that person or that channel, and you're like, man, this person, I don't see, he don't post anymore. He hadn't posted in 5-10 years, and but I don't know, who knows, but for now I can say that I'm not stopping, that's not my intention. So, but I'll just keep posting. I'll just kind of keep it where it's at now, doing one long form a week, so that you guys, I can give you guys something, apart from the short, just one. But I still work a 9 to 5, I still work a 9 to 5, so I'm not gonna give up, man. I can't give up. Y'all are why I'm here. My subscribers, y'all are why I'm here. Y'all are why I haven't given up. You know, I haven't stopped. But I want to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. And we're in what, February, March? Yeah, February. Yes, I want to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I mean, I made it to 500 since I don't know, man. I think it was June or maybe it was May when I first started posting, you know, of last year. And so I want to get to 1,000 subscribers. I want to get to 1,000 watch time, public watch hours. I want my channel to become monetized, because I feel like once I got to 500, you know, that would be my push to, you know, to keep posting, you know, and get to reach 500 was hard. It wasn't easy. It wasn't easy at all. I'm not even gonna kid you. I'm not gonna hold y'all like that. You know, it wasn't easy to get to 500 subscribers. I appreciate you guys, man. Just like I said, man, shout out to all my subscribers, everybody that's subscribed to my channel, man. Shout out to y'all, man. Thumbs up, man. Big thumbs up to y'all, man. Cause if it wasn't for y'all, man, it would have been even harder, you know. But I think we can do it, you know. And I'm gonna strive to do it. I want to do it, so I'm gonna strive to do it to get to 1,000 before the end of the year. To get that 1,000 valid public watch hours and become monetized, you know. If I can get to 1,000 subscribers, what would I do? I don't know if YouTube would allow it or whatnot, but man, me personally, I would do a giveaway. I would buy something. I would purchase something that maybe some tech, some gear or something. I would purchase something and give it away if I make it to 1,000 subscribers. You know, I would definitely do that. You know, I don't have no problem, you know, buying something and I'll mail it to you. Whoever wins, you know, whoever wins the giveaway, I'll mail it to them.